I actually came to this program right out of undergrad because my long-term goals are to get a PhD and teach business analytics, but in the meantime, I really want to get real-life experience, really know what I'm talking about when I get to that point.
Thinking about a job change is the whole reason I'm here. My background is in music performance and math education, so I wanted to move into data science, but I needed a bridge to go from my previous career experience to the jobs that I want in the future, and that's what this program is designed to do.
The CMC has been a great experience so far. They really truly care about us individually and setting us up for success. My career coach, he's just so knowledgeable and he has so many connections, and he'll really help you go out on a limb and connect you to the right people.
I've been in contact with the career office from before I even got to Emory. We basically speak every week about employment opportunities, how to succeed in interviews, how to tailor our resumes. It's an integral part of the program.
With the Alumni Network, I've been able to really reach out and talk to people who work in fields that I'm not sure if I want to get into, or they've been able to open my eyes into new fields or positions that could be appealing for me. They really want us to succeed as well.